in the fridge.
It's interesting.
Your mom is interesting.
Whoa. I feel like we're gonna get a lot of noise interference because of the wind. You want me to go up there first?
No, I got it. It's alright. Now that somebody's here with me, it's okay. I can handle it.
You guys don't. Oh my god, that is. I'm sorry. That's scary though.
The Grudge. Don't be sitting.
Oh my god. No Asian girls right now.
No Asian girls with long hair right now. These stairs don't seem too bad right now, guys.
Oh my gosh! I want this table. It's an old-fashioned sewing machine with an old-fashioned sewing machine table. Cool. But an old one. Wait, don't look at that. I need to see.
It's loaded with books. Holy crap, we've got so much furniture up here. I don't recommend going back here. Let's see.
Did you look in here?
No, not yet. I'm being very careful right here.
Please be careful.
Hello.
If you need to walk over there, why don't you take my hand? Kids. Medicine.
Oh, we got fireplace.
Oh, you know what? I bet that was the side door that I tried to get. Look how short that is up there. That is so creepy. Here, I'll go.
Yeah, I saw some animal shit. Hey, Sarah, do you want to do the camera on your way up? Video? It's already recording.
It's recorded.
It'll record that fall.
Oh, there's a bird that's in there. Isn't that cool? Okay. Oh my god, there's a lot of people here.
Yeah, there's something.
I don't want to get this poop over my shoes.
Ah, flashlight in my face.
Sorry.
Oh, you're seeing what's in the chest. Okay, yeah, totally.
Okay, wait.
GL.
Ah! Jesus.
What is it?
Here's just a box
Clothes.
of clothes.
I wonder what GL is.
The handheld recorder with you too? You've got two of them up here.
Oh, no.
You what?
I don't. I don't know if I have enough hands. What? There's a whole other basement. Or
here. There's a lot of stuff. Alright, this is where I'm going because all the pipes block it off. Wait. Right here, there's a window for a whole other basement. It's just a window though.
Are you taking video right now?
Yeah.